Mastering politeness in English. Pardon my intrusion. Hello and welcome, learners from around the globe. Today, we're diving into a very polite and respectful phrase you might encounter or want to use in English conversations. Pardon my intrusion. Understanding this phrase is not just about the words, but the context and the cultural nuances behind its use. Let's explore what it means, when to use it, and how it reflects on the speaker's intentions. Pardon my intrusion is a polite expression used when someone acknowledges that they are interrupting or entering into someone else's space, conversation, or time uninvited or unexpectedly. It's a way of apologizing upfront for what might be considered a breach of privacy or etiquette. This phrase shows the speaker's awareness of and respect for the other person's boundaries and comfort. This phrase is particularly useful in formal settings or when you're trying to be especially courteous. Here are a few scenarios where "pardon my intrusion" might be appropriately used. Entering a room unannounced. When you walk into a room or a meeting unexpectedly and want to acknowledge your sudden entrance without causing discomfort. Joining a conversation. If you find yourself needing to interject in a conversation between others, starting with "pardon my intrusion" can soften your interruption. Asking for attention. When someone is busy and you need their time or input, using this phrase before stating your request shows respect for their current engagement. Using phrases like "pardon my intrusion" not only smooths the way for what you have to say next but also leaves a positive impression on the listener. It demonstrates your consideration for others' feelings and your understanding of social cues. In the long run, mastering such expressions can enhance your interpersonal skills, making interactions more pleasant and effective. We hope this exploration of "pardon my intrusion" has been enlightening and will help you navigate English conversations with greater confidence and politeness. Remember, being polite is not just about the words you choose, it's about the respect and consideration you show to others. Thank you for joining us, and we look forward to bringing you more insights into the English language. Happy learning!